What's up, guys? Pandora, the postcard diva. I am back. How's it doing this afternoon? Hope you are well. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos for everybody else. Welcome back. Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. All right. If you haven't checked out my projects, do yourself a favor. Go to the link in the description. Go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. Check them out. See what I got going on. All right. So we're back on Monday here to give you an update. I literally just went into the school community and I saw there was an update. So I want to give you guys that regarding smart desktop AI. So I'm glad to see that the company is providing us with an update. That's great. That's good. Okay. And it's also here because this is where I'm going to read it from, because I don't want to pull up the school community. You know, that's a community where it's a paid membership. But what I want to do is show you and we can read it together. All right. Here in the dashboard. So when you go to log in, okay, because that's what I was going to do. After I read that, I said, let me go to the dashboard. Wasn't sure what I was going to see, but it's here. So let's read over it. This is the update from Smart Desktop AI. Important update. Payout process managed by legal team. Dear affiliates, due to the high volume of payouts, we have decided to outsource the payment process into our legal team to ensure everything is handled efficiently and accurately. Our goal is to process all pending commissions, including those from August 10th and the 17th by the end of this week. Please rest assured that you will receive your payments as scheduled. And they give the email for us to send that information to. Okay. And it says here we have to send them our name, our first name, last name, our affiliate code. Okay, I'm 2975, and our phone number to the email address. Our legal team has your banking information. So if you're a verified account, which I'm a verified account, if not, they will reach out to you directly and you can provide it at that time. We will post additional instructions Tuesday afternoon in the dashboard. So you just come to your dashboard here, right? Your complete first and second tier downlines and commission detail may not currently show in the dashboard, but our legal team has that information and you can discuss it with them at that time. We appreciate your understanding and continued partnership. Okay. Okay. And I just looked as well. It's in the Telegram group too, guys. So if you're in the Telegram group, you can go read this information as well. It's been posted. Now, if you recall, what was it? Thursday or so. So I kind of see what has happened here. I've been in the industry for 10 plus years, so I kind of know how these things work, and some of you may too. But that's why most of these affiliate programs, they give you options to pay, right, to receive payments via Zelle, Cash App, Venmo, and all these other payment processors, right? Because banks are very funny, right? And unless it's like an employee situation and you have all these transactions coming, because I'm sure they had thousands, and I think they thought that they could send all these ACH requests through the bank, right? And of Chase Bank. So red flags was going up. So they were pausing these transactions. Remember I read that to you guys? I was looking to see when that was, and I updated you to let you know the company stated that the bank was throwing up, these red flags was coming up to the bank And so it paused some of the transactions and said something regards to further review is required. And so banks don't understand affiliate marketing, any of that stuff, right? Let me see if I can see. That probably was in the school. That probably was in the school community. Oh, wait a minute. I think this was it. June commissions. We got off the phone with Chase. They informed us. Yeah, this was August 15th. So, see, the bank was letting them know around that time that the account was being under review because of all those transactions was coming through. And it's funny, I was just having this conversation with one of my colleagues over the weekend about this, and I said exactly what's going on. I said what's happening is probably the bank is not processing all these requests. So anyway, this is the new update. So they're going to have their legal team handle it, and it's probably going to have to be through one of the payment process. I don't know. I'm just giving you my take on this all from what I can see. Probably going to have to be handled through one of these other payment processors we use, typically in affiliate marketing, network marketing. But that's where it stands. And as they stated, they will get this handled. And I've sent my information already, so make sure if you're due commissions, you want to send exactly what they stated. Log into your dashboard. You'll see that information there if you've been verified. All right, so I will keep you posted, and it looks like we'll be looking for Tuesday update. We will post additional instructions on Tuesday in the dashboard. So just log into your dashboard tomorrow and see what's new. If it's something, you know, a little different or whatnot, I will get back with you guys and let you know. But that's the deal. So I'm happy to see that. So hopefully once they get all this situated and figure out exactly which method they're going to use to pay out the commissions for all these affiliates, we can get back on track, start back promoting this thing, and know how the payment process is going to be handled going forward. And we can get back to business promoting this thing. All right, so that's it. That's all. Just want to update you on Smart Desktop AI. We will see again. I'll let you know when my commissions come in. All right, meanwhile, stay tuned. Make sure you smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Like the video, please, and thank you. Till next time. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.